ASMR videos. I've been having so much fun with these, and I want to thank everyone for the nice comments and likes on my other videos. I really appreciate it. So today's video is basically just going to be me showing off things that I like a part 2 basically. And I've really been liking making these. I'm potentially gonna have emergency surgery done tomorrow, which is kind of scary, and I'm feeling like really ill right now. So if I sound like I'm breathing a lot, yeah, that's pretty much why. But anyways, I hope everyone's having a sweet dreams, and we can begin. Okay, so the first thing is like my number one drink, not the most healthiest one, but my favourite drink otherwise. Hold on. Oh, a bit too close. Okay. Is this Coca-Cola can. Oh yeah, you can see how crisp it is. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Isn't that amazing? Hold on, let me make sure. Okay, yeah, sorry. Okay, so this Coca-Cola can. Let me turn this a bit. Okay. Oops, sorry. Okay. Probably shouldn't be shaking it around, to be honest. It says my team on it. Wait. My team. Yes, guys, you are my team. We are a team together in this, like, share a Coca-Cola can. Ooh. Okay, let's open this. Okay, I'll try and do this in the ASMR way. Oh, okay, I don't know if that was a bit loud. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, you hearing that? Oh, that's... Okay, let me take a sip. Oh yeah, that's some good Coca-Cola right there. Right. Anyways, let's go on to... Okay, so I bought 2 things today that I thought were like really cool. So the first one is this fruity lavender and vanilla shower gel, and oh my god, when I tell you this stuff was good, it was heavenly. I was in a shower and I was like scrubbing this in with my scrubber, and oh my god, it was amazing. It's a bit sticky from being in the shower, to be honest, but maybe that's good sounds, I don't really know. It's like a purpley grey colour. Oh god, my fingers are too big for this. Fruite. Fruity. Lavender. Lavender. And vanilla. Vanilla. God, it took more than one brain cell to spell that out, I tell you. Oh, I love the look at that. It's like such a lovely colour. Now I don't know if this will be loud. Let me. Okay. Oh, smell that. Oh, that's some good lavender. Oh, yeah. You can smell that. Looks like it's talking. Hello. Yo. Okay, I'll stop being weird. I don't really have long nails. I've got to grow out my nails. Note to self: grow ears, grow nails out. Also, do you like this blanket? Now, okay, hold on. A bit of a story time. I'm gonna be honest here. This blanket cost a lot of money because it's a dog blanket. I couldn't find any normal human cute blankets while I was out, so I went in the pet store and I saw this and it sounded so soft and nice, so I bought it. Now we're not going to talk about the price of the blanket, we're just going to say that it's a nice blanket, okay? That's all we're going to talk about. Okay, so that's that. The next one is, sorry if I haven't been like getting up to the mic, I totally forgot that I could do that. So I've been talking all the way over here. Really, I could have been talking all the way up here. Oh, my bad. Okay. Okay, so this is the Carnex cherry on top. Oh my god, when I say that this smells delicious, oh, it smells heavenly, like, oh my god, like, and it, like, the scent stays on as well after you clean your hands, like, it stays on for a decent amount of time. It's just, like, take a whiff with me, alright, okay, like, oh yeah, that's some good stuff, you know. Like, look at the way it looks as well. It looks amazing. Look at that. It cleans, cares, and protects. Yeah, those are the three main. Fun edition. Carnex. Chery. Oh god, I'm not even showing it. Cheryontop. Cherry on top. Helping communities thrive. Like. Oops. Now I can't press this down, otherwise it's gonna. Let me. Now clean your hands. Clean them. You better clean them. I better see you scrubbing. Oh. Sorry, I kinda just knocked you out. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so that is that one. Let me take another sip of my Coke because we gotta stay hydrated. But I think I should tell you, you know, you should hydrate with water, not Coca-Cola. But you know, Oh yeah, no, that was nice. Not sponsored, but like biggest fan. Okay. Okay, I've got one more thing, and then this last thing is my favourite card collection. So in this, I've got multiple binders, but in this binder here is full of my favourite cards that I've collected so far. So let's take a look together, shall we? POCEMON. God, did I spell that right? Trading card game. We've got Pikachu. We've got okay, we've got Pikachu, and we've got God, I'm not a true Pokemon fan, am I? A Squirrel, yeah, and we've got a flying squirrel. That's what we're gonna go with. I feel like this camera's a bit zoomed in. Am I the only one that thinks? Okay. I thought the camera was a bit zoomed in. Okay, this is a lot better. Okay, hold on. Do you prefer it like this or how it was before? Comment down below if you prefer the 0.5 zoom out or the 1.0 zoom in. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Okay. You know, let's just I think it was kind of freaking me out. Let's put it back. Okay. Oh, okay. How do I do this? Okay. Oh, there we go. So we've got Charizard EX now. Oh my god, like so cool. I love this card. Love it so much. We've got Mewtwo EX. We've got Pteropactos EX. I think I said that right. And Iron Velvet EX. Now, so cool. Love these cards. Okay, next page we've got Lass EX. We've got Radiant Eevee. Oh my god, I love the Eevee and the evolutions. We've got Meraidon and Hoopa EX. On the next page we've got Pidgey Peach Quartz. Now the reason I kept this is because I like the gold kind of tint on it. We've got Crayoga. Oh god, I'm probably butchering these EX. And then we've got Glimora EX. Look at that, so cute. Oh, okay, so these are good. These are some good ones we're getting onto. Okay, we've got a Professor Research, Speed Ops EX. We've got Dragonite V-Star. Oh, I love these two cards here. They're so cool. Dragonite. Already said that one. Dragonite V. Such beautiful cards. Look at those. That's beautiful. Okay. Okay. We've got Sly King V. Espeon V. Oh my god, such beautiful cards. Magpie. Love the full art. He's just chilling, you know, he's just having a little bath in his lava bath. Look at that. That's about as hot as I have my shower, to be honest. And then we've got Pa, Trampa, just chilling with the doopy boys, flying around, having a good time, you know. Very beautiful. We've got Rio EX, Raging Bolt EX, Blood Moon. I'm not even going to attempt that EX, and Fra E Giraffe EX. Oh god. Anyways, beautiful cards, you know. I'm gonna distract you with my tingles. Look at that. Beautiful. So beautiful. Okay. Got this. Oh, sorry, my bad. We got this one. A beautiful card. Beautiful. We're kind of running out of time. I don't want this to be too long, so I'm just gonna skimp through the rest of these. Very beautiful. Oh, this one is a very beautiful one. Look at that. So cool. Okay. When you see these last couple ones, you're gonna be so jealous. Look at this, look at this. Look at that. So beautiful. And then look at this one. Look at this one right here. Oh my god. And then look at this one. Look at this one. So cool. Like, look at that. Amazing. Look at this one. Look at it. Look at that. Look. Wow. Amazing. So cool. Oh. This is a good one. One more. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my, I forgot I had this one. It's so cool. So cool. And then no, Pikachu. Pikachu. Okay, so that is pretty much wrapping up my favourite item video today. I hope you enjoyed. Now before I go, I do want to pitch an idea. Now, what would you guys think if I did an eating cereal ASMR? Now, imagine this setup right here, and I've got one of my cute bowls right in the middle with some cute cereal and milk, of course, and like just me eating cereal. Would that be, I don't know, am I a fat ass for that? Like, I kinda just want to do an ASMR video of me eating cereal. Now, if the comments are turned on, I don't know why on my Pokemon card box opening the comments were turned off, so hopefully the comments are turned on in this one. But I'll if the comments are on, the more likes, if we get to like, I don't know, 40 likes or something, I'll do a cereal eating ASMR. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you're having sweet dreams. Did I say that in this video? I can't remember if I said that in the intro. I hope you guys have sweet dreams, and I will see you next time. Bye guys. Bye.